Hi guys, it's Taylor Christina and welcome back to my tiny little channel. In today's video, I am airing my dirty laundry room. Yes, I know it's corny, but it's definitely true. I'm so embarrassed by how bad my laundry room has gotten. So if you're interested in some extreme cleaning motivation, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned.
Can't come see me tonight. Say you ain't got the time. I'm the last one you prioritize. Peeping your IG pictures on my phone.
Let's get started. So I'm going to start out by taking out all of the trash and all of the recycling. The recycling is really what's adding all the bulk here. The trash is just trash, of course. In my apartment complex, my dumpster is really far from my building. So if I don't have just one bag of light trash, I have to load my trash into my trunk and physically drive it over there. And then, you know, I'm here with two little kids, so I have to get them situated. And it's a whole ordeal when I have to take out more than one bag of trash. So that is how it accumulates this way. I can't just open my door and put it in a trash can and drag it to the curb. It's not like that. Like, it's a whole thing. So once I get that cleared out, it already looks better. It is instantly better. And now I'm going to actually clean out my trash can, get the floors nice and clean, and get the top of the washer and dryer cleared off and nice and clean.
Now it's like you don't even try. I used to wonder why, but now I'm left with no more tears to cry. I know that life can be busy, love, but you make time for the ones you love. It's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Did your mind go on vacation, leaving your affection for me at home? Tell me what you done for me.
I want to point something out about the songs that are in the playlist in this video. King Sis, the singer, is literally airing out dirty laundry in the lyrics, and I just love how that associates so closely with what I'm doing.
The way I want you, but you're all into all that you do. It's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Did your mind go on vacation, leaving your affection for me at home? Tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Where's your heart and your attention? Where's the kind of love that I used to know? If only you could see me now. If only you could tell me why you disappeared, you made me cry.
I'm definitely patting myself on the back for this one.
Oh, you never took the time to say. You didn't think you should explain. Like I don't care, you're kidding me. Don't do that. Oh, I don't tell anybody, no. That I'm feeling so miserable. All my friends tell me to be strong. If they're right, why does it feel so wrong?
I'm so embarrassed. I literally jumped here because of this little toy bug. So I just threw it in the trash because why is it even right there?
Want you, footprints in the dirt, following your every move. I tried to be the best for you when you broke my heart in two. Oh, saying you didn't know, but I know you do. It's a fact.
crazy part about these beer cases that I know you're probably like, why does she have so much beer? Are you like a beer drinker? Is that your favorite beer? I don't drink beer. I acquire beer and I don't drink it. I don't understand. I really don't understand how that happens.
I don't want you. Footprints in the dirt, following your every move. Just because you hurt, doesn't mean my heart don't want you. Footprints in the dirt.
I don't plan on doing anything fancy in my laundry room or with the products in my laundry room anytime soon. I am waiting until I own a home and can really do it the way I want to do it. You guys know what I'm talking about, the jars and the shelving and like all of that great stuff. I mean, it looks beautiful, but it's just not my season right now.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window.
And we are all done. I don't even have words. It smells amazing in here now. It was ranted before, and I can actually walk in here, so that's also a thing. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoy this type of content, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and leave a comment below. Are you enjoying Vlogmas so far? What would you like to see? Thanks for letting me air out my dirty laundry room, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!
Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her